last. Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, market update. We're having a very green week in the cryptocurrency market. Altcoins are still pumping to higher prices. Are we going to get that alt season we have been waiting for? How high can most of these altcoins go? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading above $30,000. Bitcoin is getting ready to pump into new highs. We've seen Bitcoin get to as high as $31,200 in 2023. How high can we go over the next few weeks? We'll also take a look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market. Ethereum is trading around $1,935. Ethereum has been finding difficulties rallying above the $2,000 level. Will this week be the week we see Ethereum pumping to new yearly highs? We'll also take a look at other metrics in the market. Liquidations have been rising. We'll take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
A lot of altcoins are showing us signs of life. The last 1 week, we've seen huge rallies in the altcoin market. Maker, Solana, Compound, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, to name a few, have been pumping aggressively to the upside. Bitcoin has continued that momentum. Bitcoin has shown the rest of the market that we still have further upside to go. Bitcoin set a new yearly high. Even though we are still in that range, we're still in the $30,000 range, the whole market is still expecting Bitcoin to blast above that level. It might take a while, it might take some few days, but guys, when Bitcoin gets going, we might see us rally quickly to the $36,000 level. But more importantly, let's take a look at other metrics in the market. Ethereum also has not caught up to Bitcoin since the 17th of June 2023. As we saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the whole market crash, Bitcoin rallied quickly, setting new highs. Ethereum has not been able to do that. Ethereum is up around 20% since that time. We have seen Bitcoin go way higher than that. We have seen Bitcoin go from the $24,000 level. Bitcoin has rallied up to $30,800, going up by 22%. Over the next few weeks, I expect to see Ethereum catching up and even outpacing Bitcoin. Guys, when Bitcoin shows us the way, when Bitcoin starts pumping aggressively, you want to look at Ethereum, as Ethereum will catch up over the next few weeks. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, this is a very important metrics to tell us where Bitcoin is in the market. Is Bitcoin taking all the largest share of liquidity in the market? Right now, Bitcoin dominance has not been able to crack above that 52.5% region. We had a pullback back to the 51% region. If everything goes according to plan, and we see altcoins pumping to higher prices over the next few weeks, I should expect to see Bitcoin dominance maybe set a new yearly high before we see a temporary pullback for altcoins to breathe a little. And the famous words of the Nigerian president, let the poor breathe, let the altcoin market breathe. Bitcoin. If you take a look at crypto total market cap, it sits around the $1.168 trillion level. We have not still been able to break into new yearly highs. We have seen the crypto market go back above $1.16 trillion, but we have not been able to rally above that high we set in April of 2023 when we were trading for as high as $1.25 trillion. But Bitcoin has gotten to that level. If Bitcoin breaks to new yearly highs, expect the rest of the market to catch up with Bitcoin. If you take a look at the altcoin market has been strongly affected by this bear market. Since the 17th of July, when we saw Bitcoin rallying up by 22%, we saw Ethereum rallying up by 20+%. Guys, the altcoin market has been slowly moving up to the upside. We've given us a 15% pump to the upside. And since when the bottom came in, guys, the altcoin market has not seen any huge gains. Since when the bottom came in, the altcoin market is barely up 17%. And if you go back for Bitcoin to see how Bitcoin has gone since when the bottom came in, the Bitcoin, the king of the whole cryptocurrency market, is up around 100%. Ethereum got to as low as $800 in this bear market. From the bottom, we have seen Ethereum get to as high as 2,100. And if we're using the November 2022 bottom as our bear market bottom, guys, we saw Ethereum rally up by over 100%, and right now Ethereum is up around 83%. But I believe most of those capitals will start flowing to the altcoin market over the next few days, guys. Alt seasons around the corner. I'm sure a lot of people are still wondering, are we going to ever see an alt season? You probably joined the crypto market when we're deep in the bear market. You have not seen the wonders of an alt season. You have not seen altcoins going crazy. We're about to get to that time frame now. You want to temper expectations. A lot of these altcoins are not going to give the craziest pumps that you're seeing a lot of people talk about. Some people are talking about 100x, 1000x. Some altcoins have already pumped crazily in May, and we're still expecting them to go higher. But over the next few weeks, we'll see some rallies, maybe 100, 200, maybe 300% pumps to the upside. Remember, guys, to take some profits along the way. If you take a look at the altcoin season index on a monthly time frame, we're still heavily in Bitcoin month, which is actually a good sign if you want to buy altcoins, getting ready for that wonderful alt season. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin has been outperforming altcoins, which is good for the markets. If we see Bitcoin pumping well, it means altcoins still have chance to pump to higher prices. Over the next few days, guys, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin falling lower in this performance ladder and altcoins taking over. We'll see altcoins pumping to higher prices, and we'll see that coveted alt season and alt month at the same time. It's about to get crazy. Let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Sitting at number one, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading around $30,800. Bitcoin is up over 14% in the last 30 days. The king of altcoin, Ethereum, is up only 3.4% in the last 30 days, even though it's up 3.57% in the last 7 days, currently outpacing Bitcoin. On big movers in the top 10, Litecoin is up 20% in the last 7 days. Solana is up 18%. Dogecoin is up 5%. Cardano is up 5%. So a lot of altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin on a weekly time frame. Will this translate into the monthly time frame? That will be good for the altcoin market. Let's take a look at gainers and losers over the last 7 days in the cryptocurrency market. This pump has been very, very crazy. We've seen a lot of altcoins give us huge rallies to the upside. Bitcoin Cash has finally slowed down. But in the last 1 week, Bitcoin Cash is up 18%. The graph is up 18%. Solana 18%. We have Flow, Litecoin, Aave all having double-digit gains. We have eCash, Maker, and Compound giving us excess of 30+% gains to the upside. Also have some huge losers over the last 7 days. Conflux has lost 7%, 11% of its value. ApeCoin is down 5%. Terra Classic is down 4%. SEU and Monero XMR is down 3 and 2% respectively. But a lot of altcoins in the market are either just going sideways waiting for that big pump to the upside, or most of them already deep into the rallies. Let's take a look at liquidation data in the market. The last 24 hours has been crazy. A lot of people long in the market have been liquidated. Right now, people are getting excited. People are willing to place bigger bets. In the last 24 hours, over 23,171 traders were liquidated. Total liquidation comes in at $46.75 million. The largest single liquidation happened on Bybit. This trader was liquidated for $1.86 million while trying to trade BTC. Be careful out there, guys. Leverage is very, very dangerous. Greed has returned to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's greed. Last week, there was greed. Yesterday, we saw greed. What we're waiting for right now in this market, the tipping point I've been waiting for, that I've been telling you guys for quite a while now, is that extreme greed. Now, when we see extreme greed in the market, guys, that might be a telltale sign that this rally is getting overheated. We've slowly grinded our way from the bear market bottom where we saw extreme fear from September 2022, finally working our way to neutral sentiment since February 2023. Right now, it seems we're heading towards that exciting time. It seems we're heading towards the great time where people will throw caution to the wind. But be very, very careful out there, guys. News stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Meta Twitter rivals thread to launch on July 6th, but with the crypto community bulge, we saw Twitter introducing rate limits over the last few days, and a lot of people have been complaining. But guys, what can you do? Twitter is free. We are the product. Mark Cuban, John Ray's stocks clash over cause of FTX collapse. We'll take a look at that news story. What do those two billionaires have to say? Account abstraction will drive billions of users from Asia to Web3. That's what Consensus Executive is telling us right now. And if we take a look at other news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world right now, OpenAI pauses ChatGPT being featured as users were jumping paywall. Guys, it's a crazy world out there, guys. Be very, very careful. Advocate calls for Hong Kong government stablecoins compete with Tether and USDC coin. What other news stories is happening in the cryptocurrency world? Mark Cuban thinks the SEC could have saved US customers from FTX had he adopted Japan's approach to crypto regulations, but John Riggs Starks disagrees. Billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban had again locked horns with former security official John Riggs Starks, this time over who was ultimately to blame for FTX collapse and impact on creditors. You should read up on how Japan deal with regulators. When FTX crashed, no one in FTX Japan lost money. If US-SEC had followed their example by setting clear regulations that required separation of customer funds and business funds, the FTX collapse probably wouldn't have happened. It's crazy. They're fighting on Twitter. What is done is done. In the next bull run, be careful out there, guys. You don't want to be chasing those huge gains. A lot of people in the last bull run chased wonderful gains, and even though it's nobody's fault, just be careful. Crypto space is very crazy. UK government move forwards on bill aimed at empowering authorities to seize crypto. Lido Rock Pool teams members argue over centralization. Researchers demonstrate unconditional, secure quantum digital payment. Bitcoin ETF was for crypto than centralized exchanges. I had rumors going around that if the Bitcoin ETF is approved, you want to be selling, we might be heading for a huge dump to Goblin Town. UK financial official watchdog reminds crypto firms of October deadlines for marketing compliance. Bitcoin futures hit 18 months high premium. Is this time to flip bullish? We have been bullish on this channel for quite a while right now. Bitcoin ETF raise. Has institutional trust returned to crypto? Are we going to see those big companies now putting Bitcoin back on their balance sheet? We saw it happen in the previous bull market. Tesla was coming on board, MicroStrategy was coming on board, and a host of other US companies were coming on board. Right now, with BlackRock trying to get their spot ETF approved, do you think that would drive a lot of institutional investors back into crypto? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Google updates its privacy policy to allow data scrapping for AI training. This battle is getting interesting by the day. Twitter actually created a limit to stop that. Now Google is allowing it to go for free. US crypto regulators' uncertainty could be Hong Kong's gain, and China to tighten control on export of AI chip making material. Let's take a look at that Bitcoin story we talked about. Bitcoin future premiums hit 18 months high, time to flip bullish. The Bitcoin premium surge is having traders ask whether it's excitement or a return to the average after a multi-month bear market. Bitcoin has been cooking. Bitcoin has rallied up almost 100% from the bottom. Bitcoin price has been trading in a 4% range since the 22nd of June from $29,000 to $31,160. Are we getting ready to break to the high side? Guys, drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.